Do you want quick access to numbers on your Galaxy S25 Ultra keyboard, or would you rather keep things simple and save space? Let's check out both options. To do so, open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap layout. Then turn the switch for number case on or off. If you enable number case, your keyboard will display a full row of numbers above the letters. It's great for those who type a lot of numbers, like when entering password or filling out form. Well, if you disable number case, the number will be combined with the top row of letters. For example, on this QWERTY layout, you can type key by tapping once, or type 1 by long pressing the same key. This option is nice if you want a cleaner, less crowded keyboard. So if you often type password or work with spreadsheet, it's better to enable number case. This way you can enter numbers much faster and with less frustration. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.